Alright guys, panibagong video, panibagong araw na naman. Ngayong araw ay Christmas Eve na. Kaya samahan nyo ako, let's go! Okay, dito na tayo. Dito ang mga regalo guys, oh. Ang dami, ha? Ayan, oh. Eww! Ito yung mga children. Meron din tayo bisita taga Costa. Ah? Costa? Costa, di ba? Costa. Ayan. Magkita-kita tayo bukas din sa kanila. Nandito sila ngayon. Mag-Christmas Eve. Tapos bukas doon tayo sa kanila. Ano nga pangalan mo?
Katsi.
Kati. Ah, si MC. Si MC at saka si Kati. Okay guys. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas guys! Ito ang handa natin sa Christmas Eve. Meron tayong grilled na salmon. Saka mayroon tayong roast lamb. Ayan, at saka mayroon tayong sisig. Yan, sisig guys. At saka mayroon tayong apritada. Ayan. Diba? Yan lang. Simple lang. Apritada, sisig, at saka lamb. Roast lamb. At saka salmon. Yan. At saka ito. Rice. At saka meron dito yung fruits. Ayan. At saka meron din tayong ayan guys. Yan. Alright guys. Ayan na guys. Oh. Alright. Okay, dito naman tayo. Same place, same bahay. Dito tayo. Okay, so dito naman ang mga guests natin. Oh, di ba? Right? Right. Paila mo yan? Ayan. Alright. Okay, Merry Christmas everyone. Dali na, kaya na. Come on, eating time. Ayaw nyo magkain. Tapos ito, mayroon tayong UFC. Mayroon tayong Mang Tomas. Sana naman. Ayan. Yan na. Merry Christmas. Yan o. Yan. Ito guys o. Dito na si Masjin. Ito si Josh. Ito si paring Gilbert, yan si Daniel. Ayan, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas everyone. Yan na si Minda. Ayan, Merry Christmas. Ayan, yung mga kids doon sa kabila. Ayan, Merry Christmas everyone. 2025, babay na, malapit na. Yan, welcome na naman ang 2026 after 6 days. Ito guys. Yan, yan. Si Gilbert. Yan si Daniel.
Si Daniel na lang.
Ito si Joshua. Yan. Yan si Minda guys, yan. Oh, di ba? Yan si Masjin. Yan, shout out. Yan.
Yan na, video mo yung bisita mo.
John. Shout out to John. John is here. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, cheers, Merry Christmas. I appreciate it, thanks.
Yeah, yes, no problem. You're welcome. You can watch this one tomorrow.
Yeah, watch it on YouTube.
Yeah.
Thumbs up and
Yeah. Thank you very much, John. Ayan, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Diyan naman tayo bukas sa inyo. Ayan. Ito naman ang mga girls, mga apo. Ayan, Merry Christmas guys. Ayan. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Kinshire.
Merry Christmas.
Yes. PJ. Woo!
Tama na.
Tama na. Yan. Yan guys, oh, Christmas na Christmas daw ang tugtog. Pulis Navidad.
Oh, you know the email says 2027.
Yan oh.
Oh.
Hihi! Merry Christmas everyone! Merry Christmas! Ito na si Bia. Oh, sino nagkakilala kay Bia? Oh, andyan si Sande. Oh, ito yung mga apo.
Christmas guys.
Merry Christmas everyone! Diyan sa Bangilan, shout out!
Shout out nanay tatay.
Nanay, tatay, openg, insan openg kani insan tome. Shout out. Ayan.
Not tonight, maybe not tonight.
Ang daming kwan, oh, ang daming dala ang kwan, ang Santa dito. Kadami niyang kwan ipamimigay. See ya! Palis na sila guys. Alright, okay, you too.
Hindi ko yung 100.
Mayroong parapol dito.
100 pounds.
May parapol. Ayan oh, raffle. Wow, get your raffle ticket. Guys,
Remember your number. Naaway ka na.
Hi!
If it's funny, yeah. Yeah, then now pang top para you gotta go there. Nearby,
Everybody got a number. How about you, Crystal?
go here. You can't go here in the Mom's Club.
Where's the thing?
Something.
Why is it so...
Wait, never mind.
Which water? How many waters?
One. That way. This way. Anyone else pa po? Ay, here already go. Oy, isa ka lang po.
Ten!
Everybody got na? Kasama kami man? Oh, sige, sige. Kuha ka lang.
I get a number.
Oh, I think I know what
Meron ba dalawa?
Oh, and Carlito, yeah?
Mapunta sila.
Baka hindi kay alas 12. Okay, we'll just skip. So remember your number, guys. Remember your number.
Philippine number.
Number ko ay number 65.
6-7 akin. 6-7? Ate, ka na naman. The stairs.
10 minutes.
Number 1.
Wait, tita, ano sabi mo?
Hi.
Tita, ano sabi mo?
5 pounds.
Oy.
Are we going to start na?
Yeah, with number 1.
Oh, number 1 or 3.
Oh, really?
Number 1.
What's the number 1 man?
Wait.
Yung video mo yung...
Number 1 winner nyo to.
Number 1.
Ayan, yeah. It says here, it's Megastar. Megastar 1.
Wow.
Yeah, hold up your number.
Oh, ang ganda lang din niya.
Wow. You got number 1.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Woo! Who is number 2?
Calling number 2.
Calling number 2. Where are you? Okay.
Baka kay Mads, no?
Okay.
So it's not.
Di ba present mo? Come on!
Number 2.
Si ano, it's DTI package.
DTI. Wow.
Megastar meal.
Quite heavy. It's like
Black and fried meal.
ah.
Huwag ka na ma-spoil.
Ay, parang something you
Woo! I won, guys.
Ako.
Oh, love you. blood control.
Blood control!
Thank you. Dito pa, kayo pa rin nag-ano ng budget dito.
Yes. Number 4.
Blood.
It's whitening package. You can share it with the love.
Why didn't you copy?
Yes, whitening package.
Oh! Who's there?
Dinosaur.
Like the
99
the
Nights
forest.
daw, Kate Bond.
And where are we?
Five.
Number 5.
Perfection.
Ayan, number 5. It's pangkabuhayan package.
Pangkabayan.
Dito yung orange po.
Livelihood
Oh, so
package.
livelihood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Orange po. Dito, orange po. Orange.
Wala yung akin. Ano yung number 6?
6, 7.
It's quite heavy.
Heavy?
Heavy.
I thought you said it's a livelihood.
Yeah. Livelihood package.
Say thank you.
Number 6. It's
Six.
bathroom package.
Nagsunod sila.
Baliktad kayo, 776 yan. I-change yun.
Yeah, 6, right?
Opo.
Yeah.
Here.
No?
Ah, bigat.
Wow!
Wow.
Sapatos yan.
Number 7. Who's number 7? Wow. Number 7. Kitchen package.
Uy, nag-iisip na akong mabigat.
Who's 8?
And number 8. Korean package.
Welcome to
Korean skincare siguro yun. Ito na makipag-swap.
Probably in here.
Ramen.
There's no 8.
Lebe.
Number 9.
Yay!
PC package.
What's that?
PC. P and C.
Yeah, PC. Pansit
Personal.
Pansit Canton. Pansit Canton.
Here.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And the number 10. Sauna package. Sauna.
Wow, sauna.
Oy, number 11.
Listed ka lang. Eh, kawawa ka.
It's summer package.
Sunblock!
Number 12. Dining table package.
Package.
Okay, and number 11. It's 1M package.
No.
Number 13, I mean.
1 million.
Here.
1M package.
Ako na kay number 1 muna ko. Kung di ko makuha, wala.
Wow.
Pray, it's your turn na pray. You're going to open it.
Yeah.
Okay, we start with number 1. Open your gift.
Okay, wait na po.
What's you read the card, ha?
Here, ano,
You are what are you? What's number 1?
Number 1.
Basahin mo yung card.
Basahin mo
Yung
yung
card.
dito lang.
Mega Star Meal Deal. Sardinas to ah.
Pagita.
Di ba the other name? The original megastar is who? Sharon Cuneta,
What's
right?
that?
Sharon Cuneta, right?
Ano yan? Open it.
Kung,
Balutin mo.
tawang-tawa.
Sharon Cuneta?
Sharon ko dito.
Ang balot na.
May pambalot na.
Bang cedar. Bang
Chocolate.
Thank you.
Ano to?
Oy, what you gonna say?
Tita.
Oh, you bring it on hala. Kay mama mo ha.
Pangbalot.
Balot!
Sharon, you're welcome. Oh,
Next, who's number 2?
Yung budget ng ano, Pinas.
Okay, number 2. Ito na ang number 2. Have a jolly time.
Ano ang nandoon sa cover mo? Ano ka?
Happy Christmas, God bless, ha?
Ito ba ano?
DTI.
PTI.
What is DTI?
Department of Infrastructure.
Department.
Sino mag-swap? Pwede na.
Okay guys, balutin mo. Ay, macaron. Pasta. At saka,
Block ng cheese.
Oh,
may black na cheese. Salamat, Majin, Angkos family. May pang spaghetti na ako.
who's number 3?
Asan yung camera? Hello, sorry. Flood
What's
control
yours,
package.
Jensen?
Flood control package.
Oh, God.
Aha. Andito yung missing budget ng Pinas.
Missing budget ng Pilipinas. It's over here now.
Shawarma.
Flooded ang toilet. Mag-absorb ang water. Chocolate. Oh, which one here? Oh.
Who's next? Number 3?
4.
Number 4.
Thank you guys.
Skincare. Whitening. Whitening.
Yeah, whitening.
Whitening.
Papaputi ng toilet.
Whitening.
Hi today. You can use that.
Expensive here.
You know what
Ayaw, choose ano?
You put that in your teeth.
Merry Christmas! Pala. Merry Christmas! Yee! Merry Christmas, everyone! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
5. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
What it says outside?
Pangkambayan package.
Yeah, that,
Livelihood.
that one.
Package.
I think it's gonna be right.
Rice.
Your ano, Dad will help you, babe.
So,
Yung bag niya, super dry.
that
You need a scissor.
Scissors. Where? Thank you. Is there anything in the thing?
No.
Ah, thank you.
Soda packet.
Ang bigat! Oh,
I need to cut that one.
fill bottles.
You fill bottles.
Giving. It's giving bots. Giving. Hindi. Kaya siyang suka. Guys will be cooking.
Yeah.
Oh, this is beautiful. I love it.
You're gonna want this one. Exchange. My dad wants this one. Six.
Medyo natin
Sabi ka tanto dito, tita. Oy.
Zonrox yan. Bathroom package.
Bathroom package.
Wow.
Bakit?
Wow! Nakasil!
Okay, gani.
Ano kaya tinatago niya?
Pansit Canton.
Ang cute na ganun dito.
Ayaw mo pabukas?
Ang effort naman ng pag-package niyo, tita. Panligo, girl.
Shampoo!
Dab. No, tadhana talaga sa'yo. Maligo ka daw kasi everyday. Sanex.
Handwa.
Init ng toilet. Domestic flush.
Thanks, tita. Parang sinasabing maglinis ka na tayo sa CR.
Matutuwa si tita niya eh.
Matawa yung mama ko dito. Thank you, tita.
Ready mo na yun sa'yo, girl. Kitchen. Ang daming kalat. Bawasan nga muna natin ng ano.
Magkuha ko ng black bag. Ay, a black bag.
Hoy!
Wow! 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 Levi's! Wow!
Hello, black and picture.
Hollow blocks pala sa loob. Ito wala na to.
Yan,
Aw,
yan,
aw.
Tita, ang dami grabe na yun.
Napahirapan. Can you sit down?
Yan, tamang-tama yung ice.
Yes, Masi!
Matuwa talaga si Mami. Pang-design. Pang-ugas bukas.
Pangungas bukas.
Pang-ugas bukas ang plato. Siya natin mag-ugas bukas ang plato. May pansin talaga tayo.
6'7" talaga duo.
7. Thank you po.
Sino si 8? 9?
Who is 9? It's Arlene.
Mine is spacey. What's spacey?
Pansit Canton.
Thank you. Spacey, pansit Canton. Pansit Canton.
Pagkain mamaya.
I know somebody's... Oh, sardinas?
Kaya, busy ako sa PS.
555. Sana convert itong isang ads.
Ayos.
5 pag ulit.
555.
The red one.
The red one. Thank you, Mads. Oh my God, breakfast for tomorrow.
Number 10.
Sana.
Vodka! Finally! Vodka!
Oh, vodka.
Hoy, matutuwa ako nito.
Ay, oh,
Thank you.
may tatlo pang ano, natira na.
Chocolate pabigyan.
Nakuha ka na, Lana?
Opo. Thank you.
Okay. Ah, that's bon.
Bon! Dalawa sa kanya.
Summer deals. Summer deal.
Sunscreen. Palagyanan ng ano. Ayun.
Kasi summer month, maglaba.
Sama, meron pa siyang ano, isa pa. Kasi inside of chocolate yan na pinili niya. O, ingat ha.
Careful, boy.
Baka
Step back. Put them down. Do that. Ayun.
Meron siyang Milo.